Hello, this is Coach Starnes. We're working problem 45 from our pre-cal final exam spring semester review. On this problem, we're factoring a polynomial again. This time we have a leading coefficient, and the leading coefficient for this problem is not a prime number. In the last problem, we had 3 as our leading coefficient, and our only two possible choices were 3 and 1 for the leading coefficients. So on this problem, we're going to have some choices to make. We know we need a positive 6 here in the middle. So we're going to jump in, and I always like to start just by writing 2 parentheses down. I always felt a lot better about looking at something on the page. And I know here I'm going to have an X and an X, and I'm not quite sure what numbers are going to go here and here yet. I have a negative 9 in the back, so I have a couple of options for what I could put in the back. I could put a negative 3, a positive 3, I could put a negative 9, and a 1. So we're going to start with a positive 3 here and a negative 3 here. And I know I need the positive number to be bigger, so that I'm going to have my bigger factor with the 8. And so over here, factors of 8 are 8, 4, 2, 1, and over here we try 8, 4, 2, and 1. So we're kind of listing the possible factors that we could try here. If we do 8 times 3, 8 times 3 is going to give us 24, and 24 is way too big to give us the 6x. That's 6x we need in the middle. So we know we don't want to use an 8 in the front, and we know that has to be the biggest possible factor, so we're going to go ahead and try a 4 here. And the 4 times the 3 in the back gives us 12. If we put a 2 in the middle here, that's going to give us negative 6, so minus 6, which gives us the 6 we needed to have in the middle. If we wanted to go check our answer to make sure it's right, clear some of this off real quick. So we said our answer was 4x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. We can multiply this out. It's going to give us 8x squared plus 12x minus 6x minus 9, and that gives us the 8x squared plus 6x minus 9 that we started with. So that's how you can factor this problem. Listing out the factors, if you don't have too many factors of the front and the back number, can be a pretty quick and efficient way to do this. There are, of course, other methods that we could use to do this problem, including what we're going to look at in some of our videos that we have upcoming, like synthetic division or polynomial division, as well as you could use the Mustang method here. So you have several methods available to you. This one's pretty quick to do just by listing out the possible factors.